What is up? I'm Tamia, and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, you should totally subscribe.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
But today's video, I thought I would do, haven't did this in a while, a September TBR. It is my birthday month, so I thought my birthday is September 5th, so can't wait for that. But today I'm only choosing 5 books because I barely can read 2 because of work and school right now. So the first book I picked was Ace of Spades. I heard this was really good, and it's about, it gives me like reminds me of this movie, but Candy Jar reminds me of that. But it's when 2 Nevis Private Academy students, Devin Ashimaka Abio, sorry if I'm saying how to say that last name, are selected to be part of the elite school's senior perfect. It looks like their year is off to an amazing start after all. Not only does it look great on college application, but it officially puts them in the running for valedictorian too. Shortly after the announcement is made, though, someone who goes by Aces begins sending anonymous texts to reveal secrets about the 2 of them that turn their lives upside down and threaten every aspect of their carefully planned futures. As Aces shows no sign of stopping, what seems like a sick prank quickly turns to a dangerous game. With all the cards stacked against them, can Devin and Shimaka stop Aces before things incredibly deadly? So this sounds interesting. I think it's because Candy Jar is a romance, but it's also they're also in Candy Jar trying out for the same thing. So I don't know. Candy Jar is like a hate enemies to lovers romance. And this, I don't know if there's any romance in here, but we will see. Second one. So excited for this because I finally bought it. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting for this. So this one is the sequel to A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I read Good Girl's Guide to Murder like maybe March or April. So it's been a while. Might have been May. One of them. But this is about Pip is not a detective anymore. With the help of Ravi Singh, she releases a true crime podcast about the murder case they solved together last year. Though the podcast went viral, Pip insists that her sleuthing days are behind her. But when someone she knows goes missing and the police won't do anything, Pip has no choice but to investigate. After all, Jamie Reynolds disappeared on the same night the town hosted a memorial for the 6th-year anniversary of the deaths of Andy Bell and Sal Singh. It has to be more than a coincidence. Pip follows a trail of clues, uncovering more of her town's dark secrets along the way. And this time, everyone is listening. Will she find Jamie before it's too late? So, can't wait for this. The Good Girl's Guide to Murder, 5 out of 5. I really loved it. And yeah, hopefully I can stick to my TBR and actually read these. Then we have Coho. So, I know people don't like her, but I'm trying to see, because I kind of like, even though it ends with us was not what I was expecting, but I love those kinds of books that I'm not expecting it and it makes me cry. So, we'll see what this is about. At 22 years old, Sydney is enjoying a great life. Sorry, I'm turning 26, so that's why. Sydney is enjoying a great life. She's in college, working a steady job, in love with her wonderful boyfriend, Hunter, and rooming with her best friend, Tori. But everything changes when she discovers that Hunter is cheating on her. And she's forced to decide what her next move should be. Dump him? What? Soon, Sydney finds herself captivated by her mystery and attractive neighbor, Ridge. She can't take her eyes off him or stop listening to the passionate way he plays his guitar every evening on his balcony. There's something about Sydney that Ridge can't ignore either. They soon find themselves needing each other in more ways than one. An instant tale of friendship, betrayal, and romance. So, someday, hopefully, it's good. It starts with us was good. And it ends with us was good. I really didn't enjoy It Starts With Us, but gave that like a 3.5. So hopefully this is good, but we will see. Then I have this one. I saw it on TikTok, so I was like, let me read it. So this is called A Touch of Darkness. And this is about, I don't know how to say her name. Hold on. Persephone is the goddess of spring in title only. Since she was a little girl, flowers have only shriveled at her touch. After moving to New Athens, she hoped to learn an unassuming life disguised as a mortal journalist. All of that changes when she sits down in a forbidden nightclub to play a hand of cards with a hypnotic and mystery stranger. Hades, god of the dead, has built a gambling empire in the mortal world, and his favorite bets are rumored to be impossible. But nothing has ever intrigued him as much as the goddess offer him a bargain he can't resist. After her encounter with Hades, Persephone finds herself in a contract with the god of the dead, and his terms are impossible. Persephone must create life in the underworld or lose her freedom forever. The bet does more than expose Persephone's failure as a goddess. However, as she struggles to sow the seeds of her freedom, love for the god of the dead grows, a love that is both captivating and forbidden. So, can't wait for that. Definitely seems interesting. A spicy book, so we will see how much spice it has. This is only my spicy book. This is like for the month, yeah. So I've been trying to get more into black authors. So I have Just Mercy. Look how handsome Michael B. Jordan is. So if you watched the movie, you know what this book is. But I'm gonna read you the description anyways. So Just Mercy. This book is from one of the most brilliant and influential lawyers of our time. Comes an unforgettable true story about the redeeming power of mercy. Brian Stevenson was a gifted young attorney when he found the Equal Justice Initiative, a legal practice dedicated to defending the poor, the wrongly condemned, and those trapped in the furthest reaches of our criminal justice system. One of his first cases was that of Walter McMillan, a young man sentenced to die for a notorious murder he didn't commit. The case drew Stevenson to a tangle of conspiracy, political machination, and legal brinksmanship, and transfer his understanding of mercy and justice forever. I love the movie, so I thought I would like the book, so we will see if they change anything, all that. But that is my September TBR. I am currently reading The Perfect Marriage on my Kindle and my phone. And I'm also reading My Hero Volume 5. Hopefully I'll be done in 2 days. But if not, it's going to continue to September. And then I'll have 6 books to read. But that has been it of my September TBR. I hope you guys liked it. Please like this video and please subscribe down below. Bye guys. Peace.